Today we are making some Gainz liver nachos. Now let's get to it.
First, slice sweet potato into wedges. Spray them with a little olive oil, then season them up with sea salt and pepper. Now get your hands dirty and mix it up. Place them in a skillet, and we're gonna sauté these for about 5 minutes until the outsides are brown. Place the entire skillet in the oven, and we're gonna bake this for 20 minutes at 400 or until the sweet potatoes are tender. While those are baking, fire up another skillet, and we're gonna sauté some onions with a little bit of olive oil. Then add turkey, chop it up in the skillet, then season with chili powder, garlic powder, sea salt, and pepper. Mix it all up, then finally add in some no-salt tomato sauce. Remove the potatoes from the oven, then top them off with the meat sauce. Top with avocado, Greek yogurt, green onions, and cheese. Enjoy these with a fork and get after those gains. Now here's the macro breakdown.
This has been Fueling Gainz. Now remember to come back next week where we are cleaning up your favorite cheats.